To change keyboard theme on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, you should be able to scroll down for a little bit to find the System option. And then in System Settings we need to go to Keyboard, then go to On-Screen Keyboard and choose the Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use on this phone by default. Now here we want to open a theme, and here we have a list of different themes that we can easily use on our phone. Let's say I'm gonna pick this one over here, this little gradient. You can also toggle keyboarders if you want to, and then tap on Apply if you decide to use that selected keyboard. You can also create your own theme by using this plus button over here. And then you can choose the picture that is going to be used as a background for your keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here and tap on the Done. Once you select the image, you can zoom in and zoom out the picture. You can still adjust it, adjust its position, and go Next. Then over here we can adjust the brightness of the picture in the background and tap on the Done once you do so. And there we go, now we have our own custom theme, and of course we can toggle keyboarders just like before, and tap on Apply to set it up. Leave a like and subscribe.